Unraveling English. Infinitive phrases as adjectives. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of infinitive phrases. More specifically, we'll explore how they can function as adjectives. So, get ready to boost your language skills. Before we venture into the specifics of using infinitive phrases as adjectives, let's briefly recap what an infinitive phrase is. An infinitive phrase is a part of a sentence that includes the infinitive, that's the to form of a verb, like to eat or to read, and all the related objects and modifiers. For instance, in the sentence, I decided to buy a new car, to buy a new car is an infinitive phrase. As we dive into the heart of today's topic, let's take a moment to revisit what adjectives are. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words in a sentence, generally nouns. They provide additional details, such as color, size, quantity, or opinion. For instance, in the sentence, she has a big, brown dog, big and brown are adjectives. Now that we've refreshed our memory about infinitive phrases and adjectives, let's see how an infinitive phrase can function as an adjective. An infinitive phrase can act as an adjective when it's used to modify or describe a noun in a sentence. That is, it gives more information about a noun. For example, in the sentence, I need a book to read during my vacation, to read during my vacation, is an infinitive phrase acting as an adjective, modifying the noun, book. To really grasp this concept, it helps to see more examples and do some exercises. Example 1. They don't have a place to stay tonight. Here, the infinitive phrase, to stay tonight, describes the noun, place. Let's try an exercise. Identify the infinitive phrase acting as an adjective in this sentence. She found the strength to win the race. And that wraps up our lesson on infinitive phrases as adjectives. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this intriguing aspect of English grammar. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep writing and speaking English using these structures. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and stay tuned for our next video.